Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how we like to make frozen yogurt bark. In a large mixing bowl, I have 2 cups of plain yogurt. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of honey and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix together. Then I'm going to pour the yogurt on a baking sheet that I lined with parchment paper, and you want to spread it evenly. Then top with some sliced strawberries. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. And with some blueberries, or with any of your favorite berries. And this part is optional, but we like to sprinkle some granola and the other half with some chopped pecans. Then you're going to freeze for 2 to 3 hours or until firm. Once firmed, cut into pieces, and this frozen yogurt bark is ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!